विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो। SGPDAच्या नुस्तें मार्केटांतल्या 17 ट्रकां आड ॲडव्होकेट राजीव गोमसान केस नोंद केल्या। हांचेर कारवाय जावपाक जाय म्हणी केस नोंद केल्या अशें ॲडव्होकेट गोम्स उलयला। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
आज आम्ही कंप्लेन केल्या अगेन्स्ट ऑल 17 ट्रक owners and the operators of this wholesale fish market. See this, there is abundant proof that when these spot tests were conducted in the market, formalin was found. This is a statement made by the FDA, the lady Eva Fernandez. In the FDA, when the laboratory tests were done, there also they have given reports that there is formalin. See, if you see this test for formalin, formaldehyde within permissible limit. Now for formalin, what is written over here, there cannot be permissible limit, and it's sure now that formalin was present even at the second test. Now if formalin has been present, these trucks ought to have been confiscated and this fish had to be destroyed, but FDA has released it. Now I'm not getting into that right now. I have filed a complaint today that this matter has to be investigated. They have to find out from where these trucks had come. ते फॉर्मलिन हुंय गायले तेमी कोण इनवॉल्व आहाय तितून ते परतून केन्ना घडपा जायना असले एक्शन जावपा जाय इतल्यान आतां ते आमगे सगळे ते 17 ट्रक ओनरांचेर कंप्लेन केल्या ते एफआयआर जायना जाल्यार कितें करता तुमी एफआयआर जायना जाल्यार कितें एफआयआर जायना जाल्यार हांव मंडे देखून एसपी लेटर करतलो की एफआयआर जालो ना म्हूण जायना जाल्यार हांव मागीर कोर्टाक वयतलो This is nothing political. This is for the interest of the people. I have been requested by people to file this complaint because they are finding it difficult, very confusing because FDA released it despite of this.
This is regarding what? This is complaint?
Regarding unknown person, wholesale fish agents and others.
कितली जणांची कितली
number mentioned. Unknown persons.
किती आहात बेसिकली कंप्लेंट किती म्हणून आसा?
Regarding fish market wholesale.
किती म्हणून?
Regarding fish market.
सर आता एलिगेशन चलता की तरी पण होलसेल नुस्त्या भायरसान येता आनी रिटेलान ते तुमी कितें हें घेता तुमी चॅकिंग बी हें करता रिटेलान
We have deployed our staff from the wholesale fish market also in the market.